going on, guys? Junior here with Custom House TV on the YouTube, and today we have another spotlight for you. It's Bailey's 2010 Chevy Silverado 1500. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, so starting with the wheel and tire package, we got ARKON Caesars in a 24x14, negative 81 offset. He's got blue spike lug nuts on here. He's got some drilled and slotted rotors if you peek behind the wheels as well. Pairing that, he's got the VersaTyres 36 14.5 R24. You can see these have a super beefy square setup on the truck. So pairing that to make it all fit, he's got an 8-inch Superlift King coilover setup here with the blue King coils. He's got rock lights in here as well to kind of light it all up at night. Looking at trimming what he's done to make it all fit, you can see in the front here, he's taken a little bit off of the front bumper and on the inside plastic liner here to make sure that it doesn't rub on the front. Looking at the back side, you can see he did a little bit of choppy chop here, push some stuff back to make it all fit and not have that fold over to kind of make sure when he's turning it doesn't rub. So that's his setup in the front. He's got some Alpha X headlights as well. He's got an Overkill Fab grill. He's got kind of a lot done to this thing to give it a good daily driver, all around customized look. Fully blacked out bumpers as well. So now moving down the truck, we need to pause. Look at how wide this thing is. You've got that 14.5 on the 14 wide on this truck. You've got like, I'd say about 2/3 of it sticking out. And if you really want to get in here and do your lip test, which we kind of missed when we were talking about the wheels, but it's okay. I got a $1 bill on me. It's been, times are tough, okay? 14 wide, bills are about a 6-inch lip. That's why they're always good to use for your measurements. You have 7 inches all day long on this lip with a little bit of a concavity to the face of the wheel as well. That's a pretty damn good lip size. So let's move this way. Looking inside the truck, he's got some type of custom seats here. They're black leather with a green stitching on it. He's got the 7-inch doubled-in radio in the dash as well. Other than that, pretty much factory inside. They don't look bad for being a slightly newer truck. It's weird these are 12 years old at this point, but still a good looking truck overall. And then back here, got a tonneau cover up top, stock tails, blacked out bow tie because it's a Chevy. It's what you do. And then also underneath the truck here, he has track bars painted to match to go with the King blue color with his shocks and everything like that. So got these as well, look pretty good underneath here. So that's pretty much everything we got for you guys on this spotlight of Bailey's 2010 Chevy Silverado 1500, 8 inches of coilover lift, 24 14s, 36 VersaTyres. If you guys have any questions or want to see another truck, drop a comment below. As always, like, share, subscribe. That's what we got for you. Peace.